pre-voter data shows that Mamta is still going to form the government. As of the data collected yesterday,
Yes, sir.
your opinion also says that while there are huge gains for the BJP, Mamta is going to form the government. But if the Muslim votes, as you were pointing out with Abbas Siddiqui's new party, if the Muslim votes get further divided, can it ruin her prospects of retaining the state? I'm not talking about some chipping away here or there. Is the Abbas Siddiqui factor big enough to get all the Muslim votes? Because your data itself shows that a lot of Muslim votes are still on TMC's side.
No, no. I mean, I would say that even as on today that we are speaking, almost 80 to 90% of the Muslim votes are pretty much going the Mamta way. I mean, there is no way that she is losing Muslim votes to that extent. The issue is not to what issue is that to which extent, with what extent she is going to lose those votes in certain seats, where she is facing difficulty. It's only about a touch and go of 20 to 30 seats. If she faces a loss of 20 more seats, she is in a problem. But let's face her worst case scenario, Aditi. Even if she goes below majority mark, which it's everybody's delight in the rest of the political spectrum, because Congress and left, they also want Mamta Banerjee to go below majority mark, so that she has to take their support, and she and left and the Congress get a backdoor entry into the power structure. But BJP is also feeling like that if Mamta Banerjee goes down below the majority mark, then they have an open game. बीजेपी के साथ में तो आजकल वैसे भी सबको ही बोलता है कि इलेक्शन कोई जीते सरकार बीजेपी बना लेती है, और अगर हंग असेंबली आ गई तो मुझे याद नहीं पड़ता कि हंग असेंबली में सरकार किसी और ने बनाई हो हाल फिलहाल में पिछले 6 सालों में. तो ये एक जो उनका ग्राउंड मैनेजमेंट है हंग असेंबली के समय, पॉलिटिकल मैनेजमेंट जिसे कहते हैं, हिमंता बिस्व शर्मा ने इतनी सरकारें नॉर्थ ईस्ट में बनवा दी, गोवा तक तो बीजेपी ने मैनेज कर लिया. So it's like that gives them a psychological edge. So what Mamta is feeling that if I have to get a majority, then I have to get a full majority. If I do not get a full majority, then it is something which BJP might be managing better than me. That's what Mamta Banerjee's fear is. But my personal take is she should not be panicking. My personal take is whatever, suppose Aditi, even in her worst case scenario, suppose she is short of 10-15 seats,
Right.
and there are 20-25 seats coming from the left and the Congress alliance. What the BJP is going to find really difficult to manage is that we believe, our data shows that majority of the seats which the ISF left Congress alliance they are going to win, majority of those seats will be Muslim candidates, and that is what will give the kind of insurance policy to Mamta Banerjee, because it is unlikely for the Muslim candidates who have won from the Muslim majority seats on a left Congress or ISF tickets to switch over to BJP. You remember 2013 Delhi election when BJP was short of only 4 seats in Delhi, and the Congress, 5 MLAs of the Congress, they belong to the minorities and they did not switch over. See, so I don't feel the reason that Mamta should be panicking at the point of time, but probably she is not, she hasn't seen that kind of onslaught, that kind of aggressive campaign against her, if I may say, over the last 10 years. She has been having a field day. After winning in 2011, I mean, there was no opposition to Mamta whatsoever.